Hi, this is Andy of Andy Bow YouTube Fishing. I hope you're all well, safe and sound. Been a little while since I've done this video. My friend Paul's just over there. This is a bit of a mixture really. We had great intentions to go fishing for stingrays and tope along the Sussex beaches. We did a bit of a long journey. When we got there, the wind, the rain, the banks of weed was horrific. But we stuck it out for a day. We tried it. We managed to catch a nice fish. So hopefully you'll see that in a short while. But the video is quite a mixture, and hey, that's what it is sometimes. So we've decided to come back to a little spot that we know in Somerset and give it a whirl there. So thanks ever so much for watching. I will start uploading small videos very soon, and stay safe and sound, everybody. Cheers for now.
Move it around the left, but I'll be going right. You know what I mean? Dancing through the rain, dancing through the rain. 300 miles later, we're going to our next mark. Yeah, come on, catch a fish. Fishy wishy. Yeah, boys! Hurry up! Ain't gonna catch nothing there, are you? What? Okay. Landed about there. Oh, here comes the storm. Over the moon. Just had this undulate ray, big female. Gonna try and get it back quickly. Happy days. Like I say, it's a big female. Oh wow. That's a good fish. Really good fish. Whoa. Gotta be careful around here. There it goes. What's he got? Hopefully he's got a little thorny. Was that the fish that give you a little tap on the ratchet? Yeah. Hey. Righto, mate. Should we can you get the hook out there? Oh yes. Got a couple of photos as well. With your rod. Lovely. It's being all professional, this is. So we travelled best part of 400 miles back onto our home turf, and all of a sudden we catch a fish again. Well done, Paul. Nice one. Lovely. Well done, mate. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Off he goes.
First cast, happy days.
It's a shame that... Well done, mate. Little doggy on the ragworm, trying to 2-hook flapper out here because it's really flat calm. Oops. I say flat calm, there's a little bit of a swell which is picking up now. Well, we've been here probably half an hour now. Come on, there you go. And had a couple of fish. Go on, off you go. Let's try again. Yeah, let's try again. Hopefully he's got another little thornback here. That looks a bit bigger than a thornback the way he's trying to pull it. You get them going, you want to get them up on the surface, if you can. It's making him work, this is. You do get occasionally you do get blonde rays off here. And I mean occasionally, it is occasionally. Here it comes. Oh no, he's got a conger. Conger eel, mate. He's not very happy, that one. One sec, you're on your other line as well. Give him a good scrap, doesn't it? You got a T-bar? Hooked lovely, that fish. Absolutely lovely. Probably 3 or 4 pounds, something like that. There we go. Look at the mouth on it. There you go, mate.
Cheers, mate. Yep. Barney Grizzly angry.
Fair play. Walking it out to take it off. Off he goes. Hello, mate. Hey? Did you? What do you reckon, Paul?
Would you like a dogfish on your channel? Yeah or no?
Making your arms pump a little bit.
Yeah, he's a feisty dogfish. He's a big one. Especially for the Andy Bower fishing show.
There we go.
Dogfish on a tilt.
Well done, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Nice to see you catching fish. I was starting to worry about you.
Oh, don't worry about me, mate. I like to give the fish a chance every now and again.
What's he doing? He's even just brought me over a plate with a bit of ham and a bit of cheese on it, a little fly. So let's try it. Can't see any onion though, that's the problem. Cheese is good. Lovely sandwiches, Paul. Thank you, mate. Another dogfish. Well done, mate. Right. I'll see you all again in a minute.